Caledonia. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rock... Until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Sharon, 47 miles north of Cloudwood Grove, moving northeast at 55
Northwestern
miles per
Livingston
hour.
County in central Illinois, to central LaSalle County in north central Illinois, until 6:45 p.m. At 6 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Street to Hudson, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in Thunderstorm hail. Source, radar indicated.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, Abels Corners, Tibbetts, Allen's Grove, Millard, and Delavan Lake. Take cover now.
North central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.